Hello everyone, how's it going? In this video, we're going to look into this company called Dare Biosciences, ticker symbol DARE. It's up about 27% pre-market, one of the highest traded pre-market stock as of this morning. So it's sitting at about $1.93 as of this morning in the pre-market hours. It's a market cap of only 75 million and it's a bioscience company. Let's try to understand what's causing the stock to pump up this morning and what this company is all about. So let's get started. Under tip ranks, if you look into there are three analyst ratings giving it about a buy rating and a maximum price of $6.33, which is giving up about a 316% upside. So that's a huge upside. I've also seen about 5 or 6 other analysts who have also been covering this, but for some reason tip ranks is only showing the ratings from 3 analysts. But I think the other ones are also saying buy. I couldn't get the exact confirmation for it, so I didn't post it here, but it looks like on tip ranks it has about 3 buy ratings as of this morning. So let's look into what's happening. So this news came out where Dare Bioscience on June 30th entered into agreement with Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and were awarded new grant of up to 48.95 million to support development of Dare LARC1. We'll look into what this is all about, and also just look into the wordings of this to make sure what we're getting into. Talking about a new grant of up to 48.95 million. So it's not that they were given 48 or 49 million right off the bat, but they would be able to get up to that amount. So that's what the grant is, and let's try to understand what this grant is going into. And their LARC, or the LARC1, is nothing but a long-acting reversible contraceptive solution designed to combine the benefits of LARCs with the flexibility of shorter acting methods. So it's basically nothing but a contraceptive mechanism which is helping, and it was originally developed, or the system was originally developed by the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, so by the MIT. And this company, Dare Biosciences, already seem to have some other products that they are working on in the pipeline. And if you look in the way in the bottom, Dare LARC is right sitting there in the bottom half of the company. So this company has some other products which are on their phase 3 trial and right in that pipeline to go out for commercial purposes. So let's try to understand a little bit more quicks about the grant itself. So Dare Biosciences was awarded the new grant of up to 49 million from Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. And the period of this, or the grant period, is from June 30th, 2021 to November 2026. So it's spread out over a duration of 5 years, and during that 5 years they'll get that 49 million. So it might be about 11 million per year, but again it also depends on how they are performing every year. So it looks like in this paragraph they mention about some deadlines and some milestones that they have to show to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation in order to get the next installments of that grant from the organization. So definitely not something which is given to them right there and then, but definitely something interesting. And of course you can see that there is an interest from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Now, is this the first time that they're working with the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation? No. This is a press release back from 2018 where they're talking about how they were funded by this Family Health International through a grant from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. And this is another one back in 2020 where Dare Biosciences receives funding from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation of about close to $1 million. And if you look into the stock price, and if you try to see over the year, you can see there's quite a bit of pumping up going on in this period. And if you look into the 5 years plan, yes, there's some pumping up around this period, and on the max side, you can see this stock has gone through a rough road already, and it's right now sitting at that penny stock range. So it at one point even went to $100 and then being going down. So I mean, there is nothing in the basically in the commercial aspect for in terms of revenue. There's no revenue going on with this company, so it's pure in the research phase right now, and this news is just going on that speculation that yes, they were given this grant, but nothing concrete has happened at that stage. So just be careful of what you're doing with this. And normally with penny stocks, before market, there's a tradition of pumping up, and right as the market opens up, they're dumping down. So you never know, but be careful of whatever you're doing with this. This is not financial advice. It's just showing you what is happening. And with that, take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.